Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using old-fashioned keys to unlock your door? Introducing the Philips Smart Lock, the ultimate game changer in home security. With this smart deadbolt, you can unlock your door in 4 different ways. Using your voice with Alexa and Google Assistant, keys, passcode, or mobile app. The physical buttons on this lock are simpler and more reliable than touchscreens, giving you a solid click sound when you press them. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's well reviewed, so you can trust that it's a great investment. One of the best features of the Philips Smart Lock is its multiple password modes, allowing you to create up to 100 custom passwords for family, friends, tenants, and cleaners. You can set up permanent, one-time, and timed passwords, giving you total control over who enters your home. The Security Auto Lock feature is also a lifesaver, as it allows you to set the lock to auto-lock within 10 to 180 seconds using the mobile app. This means you can ensure your home is secure even if you forget to lock the door, such as before work or after shopping. The lock can withstand extreme temperatures, from -31 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and is waterproof with a pressure resistance of 2200 N, giving you a sense of safety and durability. The Philips Smart Lock is also designed to send alarm prompts if someone enters the wrong password multiple times, ensuring your home's safety to the greatest extent possible. With its 24-month warranty and US-based phone support, you can enjoy seamless experience and assistance whenever you need it. So why settle for an old-fashioned lock when you can have a smart and secure one? Upgrade to the Philips Smart Lock today and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.